Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack Daily Challenge, that is 7-segment LED. Int segment number, int n. This function takes an integer n, representing a digit, and returns the number of segments needed to display that digit on a digital display. Switch n. This switch statement checks the value of n and executes the corresponding case. Case 0 to case 9, each case represents a digit, and the corresponding return statement provides the number of segments needed to display that digit. Default, if n is not in the range of 0 to 9, the function returns 0. Int main, the main function of the program. Int n, declares an integer variable n to store the input number. Scanf, %d, and n, reads an integer from the standard input and stores it in the variable n. Int total equals 0, initializes a variable total to 0. This variable will accumulate the total number of segments. While n greater than 0 enters a loop that continues as long as n is greater than 0. Int digit equals n%10, retrieves the last digit of n and stores it in the variable digit. Total plus equals segmentnum, digit, calls the segmentnum function with the digit and adds the returned value to the total. n/equals 10, removes the last digit from n by dividing it by 10. Printf, %d, total, prints the total number of segments calculated. I hope this explanation helps. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.